You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the scientific name for the species or species, better known commonly as rabbits, European rabbits. Oryctolagus, Oryctolagus, English pronunciation we're talking about here. Latin would be quite similar, Oryctolagus. Cuniculus would be Latin, in English, cuniculus. How to pronounce English pronunciation, Oryctolagus cuniculus. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.